Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Alligare 90 Surfactant Wetting Agent is a non-ionic, low-foam surfactant that's used to enhance various types of pesticides, including insecticides, herbicides, and fungicides. Add this product to your pesticide solution if it doesn't already contain a surfactant. Alligare 90 can be used in most applications where it's important you cover as much area as you apply product to, such as a barrier application to stop invasive insects, or foliar applications to coat leaves. Without a surfactant, a pesticide solution may form tense beads of liquid when it hits the treatment surface. In an insecticide or fungicide application, this creates holes in the protective barrier you're trying to apply. In an herbicide solution, less of the product is sticking to the plant's surface, meaning it absorbs less product. Alligare 90 will break up the surface tension of the product as it's applied to foliage or other surfaces, ensuring that the application sticks to the applied surface and will not bead up or roll off. This creates more efficient product use and much less waste. With more area covered in your pesticide, you'll gain more effective control of your targeted pests. Alligare 90 is a surfactant and does not contain any active ingredients that will control pests. You must mix this product with a pesticide to get any use from it. If you're looking for an insecticide with a wide range of uses, look for a liquid insecticide concentrate that's formulated with bifenthrin. Bifenthrin-based insecticides are used to treat many pests, including pests that inhabit your turf and ornamental plants, like mites, leaf-feeding caterpillars, or even some flying pests like mosquitoes. The bifenthrin will work to kill labeled pests on contact, and it will even leave a residual that will work to control the area for up to 90 days. If you're looking for an herbicide to get rid of weeds on your property, check out MSM Turf. MSM Turf is a post-emergent herbicide that is used to treat a wide variety of broadleaf and grassy weeds without harming many common turf grasses. This product can be used to eliminate weeds like foxtail grass, dandelion, clovers, and spurge. For a fungicide, we recommend Patch Pro. Patch Pro is a systemic fungicide that is designed to get rid of a broad spectrum of harmful diseases on plants and lawns. This product can be used to stop or prevent the development of brown patch, powdery mildew, anthracnose, also referred to as leaf spot, as well as other lawn diseases. Regardless of which of these pesticides you'll end up using, either can be enhanced with Alligare 90 to ensure they protect more area or absorb more into the plant. Before using any pesticides, we recommend you wear your proper personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep children and pets away from treated areas until the application has completely dried. Alligare 90 can be mixed with many pesticides that lack surfactants. However, you'll need to read through your pesticide's label to make sure it's compatible. Be aware that your product's label may refer to surfactants as wetting agents or spreader stickers. Once you've confirmed that a surfactant may be used, proceed with your normal mixing procedure. Alligare 90 can be mixed in at rates between 0.5 to 2 quarts per 100 gallons of finished solution. However, your pesticide's label should give you clear directions on how much surfactant you should add. For general turf applications, you can add 2 pints per 100 gallons of finished solution, or 0.33 fluid ounces per 1 gallon of finished solution. After mixing Alligare 90 with your pesticide, follow the pesticide's instructions to determine where and how often treatment applications will be made. When making a foliar application, be sure to apply product to the point that the leaves are wet, but don't over-apply to where they're dripping. Similarly, in a surface application, apply product to the point that the surface becomes wet, but don't over-apply to where there's runoff. Alligare 90 can be used for agriculture, turf, surfaces, submerged aquatic areas, forest site preparation, rights of way, and other approved uses along with the appropriate pesticide. When using Alligare 90 with your pesticide application, you should notice a significant difference in the area covered than if you use the pesticide alone. Remember, more coverage means more efficient control of your targeted pests. A stronger barrier means insects or fungi won't be able to make contact with plants, and more absorption means better systemic effects as well, whether you're using an herbicide to eliminate weeds or a fungicide to protect your plants. Shop for Alligare 90 on our website or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with a treatment method that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.